Would you bring people out to protest if you don't get the agenda that you want to happen?
We will do public rallies. Of course, we're already in an election year, so we will do our public rallies, which are, which is what political parties do.
There is still a threat hanging over you that you could be disqualified. What will you do if you are disqualified?
There is absolutely no case that can disqualify me.
You don't think it'll happen?
Well, they're trying their best because, I have so many court cases. They come up with, every other day there's a new case against me, and I keep appearances in courts.
What would you do? Who would run the party? How would this operate if you were disqualified?
Well, we'll cross the bridge when we come to it.
There will be an election this year at some point. How safe do you currently feel?
Well, I don't feel safe. The answer is no, I don't feel safe. The thing is, yes, I'll be a little bit more careful. I will have a bulletproof screen now giving, rallies, but I will have to, there's no question of me sitting inside. I will go out campaigning.
Mr. Khan, thank you very much.
Thank you.